Welcome to Whispers. Oh my word, I can't stop laughing. Nigerian army declares 101 soldiers wanted for fleeing Boko Haram attacks in Borno. Freezes bank accounts. Nobody wants to die. Nobody wants to die. I mean, well done to those fleeing officers. Well done. Well done. That is the best decision ever. The Nigerian army has given an order to declare wanted. to declare wanted 110 soldiers who fled Boko Haram terrorist attacks in New Mate and Dinka town near Maiduguri, Benue State. The army, through the Operational Lafayette Dole Theatre Command, also ordered that their bank accounts should be frozen pending when they would report themselves to the command. Never, they're not coming back. The military documents obtained confirm a list of 101 names, ranks, and bank details of errant of soldiers. The theatre command headquarters sent a memo to the Nigerian headquarters in Abuja to freeze the listed accounts and apprehend the alleged deserters if found. Apprehend them for what? When they've not even committed any crime whatsoever. Why would they be apprehended? You are requested to declare the named officers and soldiers deserted WEF 19 February 2001. The document said, you are also please requested to cause the headquarters NALC to freeze their accounts and apprehend or bring them under military escorts to this headquarters if staying within your area of responsibility. The military memo said, oh my God, the soldiers of 153 Task Force Battalion were ambushed in Mata Local Government Council late last month as the troops were overwhelmed and could not match the ammunition carried by the terrorists. After Mata was captured by Boko Haram, the Chief of Army Staff, Major General Ibrahim Atahiru, had given troops of Operation Lafayette Dole 48 hours to clear soldiers of Mata local government area and surrounding communities under the insurgents' control. The village under the terrorist control were Kenerowa, Kirewa, Kata, Wogo, and Ngala, local government areas of the state. The soldiers went through Mate successfully, killing the east of Boko Haram terrorists who captured the area for some days. Also, Diko was attacked by the insurgents earlier this week and abducted no fewer than 7 humanitarian workers from the town. The 8 workers were picked up by the terrorists who were dressed in military camouflage and spoke good English, although the military claimed on Tuesday that the troops repelled the Boko Haram and Islamic State of West Africa province terrorist attack of Dinka. It was silent on the whereabouts of the reported abducted 8 workers. Reacting to the attack, the United Nations Office for Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in Nigeria condemned the burning of the UN property. Oh my word! Eh, really? Okay, is the army legally empowered to freeze anybody's bank account? Uh, uh, there is complete distort in the system, and if care is not taken, it's going to, hasn't it boomerang? Hasn't it boomerang? Oh, before uncle, who wants to die? They are now freezing their account. Maybe it's somebody that is alive that has account. Let them freeze the account too. Let them freeze the account. Freeze whatever they want to freeze. Hmm. Hmm. Those that are supposed to be arrested in Nigerian army for hiding the real truth about Boko Haram insecurity are not arrested. But those small soldiers who only obey their commander, there is something fishy. Why freezing their bank account? Is it a crime for joining Nigerian army? They say he who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. Kudos to the gallant soldiers. Kudos to them. Well done. Well done. Can you just imagine? Can you just imagine? Nonsense. What kind of nonsense is that? Eh? They run for their lives. You guys did the best for fleeing away instead of wasting your life for a program war that will never end for our selfish politicians who are after vanity. Kudos to the runaway army. We expect to see many follow their footsteps. Yes, so they have chosen a better alternative. Yes, running away for their dear lives. May God bless them all. A very good decision. The government cannot even find you guys. And for freezing the bank accounts, your loved ones will take care of you. It's better to be alive than dying for nothing. Yes, care. Very brave decision. Those remaining should flee as well, though. When they are ready to fight Boko Haram, we shall know. No motivation, no pay, no financial security for their families, no hope. Ethically imbalanced in the force, religious bigotry, selfish and mischievous commanders, and above all, a failed system from a decaying age-long entity. Yes, so war does not swear the way for the cowardly. You expect them to be used as sacrificial lambs for the terrorism oil. Well, I'll be with outdated equipment and sabotaging their mission. Yes, so sabotaging their mission. So the Nigerian army wanted them to be killed by Boko Haram, so that they will go and tell their wives and children, sorry, your daddy was indeed a gallant soldier. Nonsense. Maybe they will soon advertise for recruitment. They will soon advertise now. And expect someone's son to go willingly sign his own death warrant. Let them solve the problem they created. The doomsday is getting nearer by the day. Yes, so can you imagine? They will pay outrageous sum of money to bandits, but quick to freeze accounts of innocent soldiers who ran for their lives because of impunity in the armed forces. Let them continue. It will eventually end one day. Failed nation with failed government, double with failed military force. Nigeria is failed and expired. Failed nation. Everything is going against each other. Peace cannot be gotten by force. No unity is granted with oppression of certain tribes. Yes, so Nigeria has expired now. How many years ago? Constitutionally, there's nothing called Nigeria now. There is nothing now. It has expired. Boomerang. And the so-called Fulani are busy shouting the Constitution. What Constitution? The Constitution, the Constitution, the Constitution. Imagine paying huge ransoms to Boko Haram. When terrorists and bandits receive ransom, they make good use of it by buying modern military hardware. But when army authority receives theirs, they share the money among big oga and expect the junior officers to use pump action and face terrorists with RPG. You've taken a very wise decision. The federal government should stop breastfeeding Boko Haram. Then everybody will know that they mean well for the soldiers and officers. Yes, so if now won't you run, combating highly sophisticated Mitalia with ordinary AK-47 welfare package 0. Nigerian soldiers should be highest salary earners in this country. Any soldier deployed to battle Boko Haram and Sambisa should be paid millions monthly. Buhari improved the welfare and welfare of military men. Has he done that to ordinary people, military men, my friends? There you have it, guys. So, those guys, I was just imagining them picking race. I mean, if he had got the rate of the race, because if they are going to represent us at the Olympics, they will win all the gold medals. So they will win all the gold medals. There you have it. So they are running for their lives. So the way it is going, they will put out advertisement for recruitment. Nobody will go there except for dinner Ghana. They will pack their malus inside. Maybe they are taking repentant terrorists. So those ones will fail it up. There you have it, guys. Oh my God. Until I come your way again. Bye.